Guys, help me. Last 2,200 to reach 5 star. Thank you for helping me, Tiger. You know, guys, I have a lot of panties here, but this panty is like not normal panty. Why I say not normal? I don't know. Because I'm abnormal. Like this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I know. You know, I don't know how to use computer. Cause like computer here in the Philippines is too much pricey. Sorry. I come or over the mouse. I don't know how to use the computer. I know how to use the computer, but I'm not knowledgeable to use that. Um, a little bit knowledge about computer, but not too much like other people. Because here in my province, you are so lucky if you have that. I'll teach you a lot. I'm easy to learn, but you know, it's the 13 years old brother or sister. Sister. And I am the one who's supporting them. I am sending both of them on school. That's why I'm working hard here in Bigo. Like that.
No, daddy, daddy. No. Opo, si Kuya nga iyak. Uwi na si ate. Uwi na ako.
My room don't have doors. I'm shy to use or tiger because of my clothes. I think my clothes is not beautiful. Shh, no cry.
Oo, sugar din niya. Kita ba tayo? Yung si ate. Bigay mo sa kilikili ni Mati. Ano? Ha? May sakit siya naman. Bigay mo sa kilikili. Oh, kaya! May buhok. Nasa nakalagay.
You look fine. Thank you. Now I need this.